St. Elizabeth one part.
Back Street.
Back Street.
Yeah.
Back Street.
No, man, that's a side street. Side
You
street.
can't see how my good is.
No, church, come up more. And you will see down there. You can't come over more with yourself. You're glued down.
Some beautiful house up here now. See the woods land. Maybe a woodland. Be a nice house up there. Dashing farm. Dashing. Dashing yes.
Where's the other one?
One thing in a farming, one kind of man. Where you turn up your farming? That's right, you come here. See your farming. What is we are all up, so we are come from upstairs. Before that, the house today. And down the nice. Sit Bahamas. Springfield Post Office. Oh, then a bush now. Springfield. Woodland up there, so there. Be a wood. Long wood, short wood.
Yes, sir.
Fat wood, slim bar wood. All kind of wood. Right there. You want to build furniture. Bed dresser. Anything.
Keisha!